Why does this look like a,
What?
I don't know what it looks like, but...
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh my god, my neck just cracked. Hey guys, it's Yesenia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I see half of you guys don't even be subscribed to me. Like, no, I'm just kidding. Do what you do. But I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my little vlog. So make sure you stay tuned to see the reality of like my weekend and getting my shit together because it's just that time. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my beautiful, nice, juicy, clean room. Look, there is no reason to like shame me because I already know. Like, duh, this is why I'm doing like a little vlog for you guys. Just to give you the real me, because like lately I was feeling like really lazy to do. I'm just kidding, but no. So I need to get my stuff together and I feel very motivated like when you guys are like hanging out with me and like we're just doing this together. What the hell was that? But when we're just doing this together and I just feel like I'm doing something productive, maybe you're doing something productive, so like why not take you guys with me? Duh. Just to let you guys know, it is perfectly fine to be like feeling like that sometimes, but just don't let it get the best of you. Don't stay in a slump. I mean, stay in a slump, but like not for too long, you know? Basically, like I was down here like getting stuff together. I had to call like a credit card because I needed to pay it off, and I went ahead and did that. It's currently like 1 something in the afternoon, but like it's never too late to clean your room. Okay, so like I'm gonna go ahead and just like clean my bed. And then this is normally like the sheets that I put on top of my bed, but I'm just gonna fold this, like the sheets, and I think I'm gonna just put it in my closet to get it out of the way. And yes, my closet is a big mess. I don't normally do my bed like this, but there's a bunch of dog hair, so I'm trying to blow it to that side or I can fall on the floor. We'll go ahead and just clean up all of this. My chancletas back on. Okay, let me stop. Let me get the socks. So I know it looks bad, but it's really not bad. Promise. So this isn't even dirty. I actually got this today and I was like, oh, it don't even match my sweatpants, but let's be real, like you don't even match. So, but I have to go to the pharmacy and pick up my medicine, and I just had to slip something on, so I just put on a cardigan and I just like threw this somewhere in my closet, but this isn't dirty. I just need to hang it back up. And then I'm gonna hang up my cardigan because girl, it is too hot. And then those are my pajamas on the floor. It's because like sometimes I just change in here. I get too lazy to like close my window and I be thinking the neighbors can see me, so I'm just like, you know what, we're just gonna change in here. I need to go put those shoes for sale because honestly I don't even wear those. Like they look like, let me stop, because I liked them at one point, but now I just don't. And I hate when I do that, but Yep, that's really it. She's clean now. Because these are just a bunch of stuff that I'm selling inside of this box. Yeah. And that's going to stay like that until I get my little storage bins. Then we have my cute little skincare fridge that barely has anything in it. I'm not even going to open it because, like, it's embarrassing. Like, who the heck buys a skincare fridge and doesn't even use it? Let me tell you who. That girl right there.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm making me my special sandwich, and I'm gonna have pickles with it. I never showed you guys the back porch, but look at it, it's all done. It's all done. My mom's just putting the cushions back on because it was raining the other day, but mac and cheese. This is my lunch. I was eating pickles and the freaking pickle juice spilled on me. And yeah, now I smell like freaking pickles. That's nice. I need to go to my car and actually get like cleaning supplies because we're not done getting our stuff together. And you know that. Because here I go again with my little rant about the bathroom. But if you know, you know. I share my bathroom with my brother, so that shit is disgusting. And I gotta clean it and I gotta vacuum these floors. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna edit for a few more minutes and then we're gonna head to the car and grab the cleaning supplies and, you know, get into it. I'm back with my little cleaning supply box. I'm gonna be using this OxyClean Dirt Fighter Pet Fresh Carpet Odor Eliminator because the dogs are like always up in here. And this helps get like the hair from the floor up. So I'm gonna spray some of that, and it also smells extremely good. So Nice and clean. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. I didn't wash my hair because I washed it yesterday, but everything is nice and clean. I went ahead and lit off like a little candle back there and it smells so good. So I'm gonna do some like skincare for my face. I'm gonna just use what I have in my little skincare fridge. I go like this because there's barely anything in there, but so I'm gonna quit rambling and show you guys what I'm going to be doing. Using my Garnier Skin Active Black Peel Off Mask, and I'm going to be putting this on my nose, and I'm going to be using these Precision Beauty Cucumber Under Eye Pads and put those underneath my eyes and just like relax. And then after that I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Clarifying Booster Drop, and I'll be using my Jade Roller. I think that's what it's called. I can't remember what it's called, but you guys will see. I feel like I should really do this like almost every week because I get blackheads like so quick and so easily. I don't know why, but it's so annoying, and then having to take them out is like the worst. Like me take them out with the blackhead tools, because then it like leaves my nose like all red and stuff. And then these masks, honestly, they don't really do much. Like they pull something out, but I know for a fact it's not my blackheads, because how are they still there then? So I'm gonna let this dry, and while I'm letting it dry, I'm gonna just put these cucumber eye pads on for 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna be like watching YouTube, relaxing. Even though I can't really see right now because I don't have glasses on, but it's all good. Okay, so I got my timer set here for 15 minutes. It's already started, so let me put these underneath my eyes. And these were like in the little mini fridge, so they're nice and cold. So you slap it on. There we go. And like I said, I'm just gonna relax and watch some YouTube in the meantime. Me trying to be like aesthetically pleasing and everything like that, and then I get freaking charcoal mask on my fingers and on my robe. Great. Well, it's already dried up now, so I can just like... The timer is up. So this nose thing still isn't dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and use my, I really think this is called a Jade Roller. I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Clarifying Booster and put some up here. Oop. God, I need to hurry up before this gets in my eye. I know I should have done this when I took the little nose strip off, but I'm too impatient. Oh my god, it's so cold. So now that everything is nice and locked in, I am gonna see you guys when this is done drying. Hey guys, so I'm just relaxing. I already got that glow going on, can't you tell? Alrighty you guys, so that is it for this little vlog and getting my life together basically. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!